here. Oh, that's right. What's up, YouTube? Showing you so fast, easy, if I could start. It's actually not just that, I'm just placing a review. Here I'm back. You heard that? That was my dad. That's my dad's trip. But yeah, let's keep going. How easy this thing is to start off. Wake up, turn to on, and then what's it? Is it up now? I have it on both here, but you're in motion control, so let's start up. You wonder how it feels rain? And yeah, my dirt bike. So it's a hit like that, like basically a dirt bike accident, but like little 50cc two-stroke engine. Yeah, got it for $380 actually on Amazon. But if I was going to give them a stars, I would give them 10 out of 10. I mean, came barely any scratches and ran always ran first pull. So, what is that one, Mooney? That's my X Moto 50cc two-stroke dirt bike or pit bike. And this is just the manual start version. So if you leave a like, subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. See ya.